Ready to shake things up? I'm Zachary Avery, and today we're going to make our own seismograph using everyday items. The items that we're going to need: a medium-sized cardboard box, some paper or a plastic cup, some markers, some scissors to cut holes through objects, tape to be able to tape things together, string to be able to tie the cup to the box, marbles to use as a weight. You can also use other objects such as coins or any other weighted objects, and a pen to be able to poke some holes.
First thing we're going to do is to cut the lids and the flaps of the cardboard box. We've already done that here. And then we want to be able to stand the box up on these small lids, so the long side will be up. Then we're going to poke 2 holes in the opposite sides of each other in the cup. We've already done that here. You can see cutting holes in this cup. Then we're going to tie the string that we've gotten through the hole. The length of this hole should be about twice the length of this box. You can see this string length is going to be about twice the length. It doesn't need to be exact, but we're going to get that. Then we're going to feed the string through each hole. And again, the string should be about twice the length of this box. We're going to poke 2 holes in the top of the box, shown right over here. And they want to be the same distance apart as the holes in the cups are. With that done, we are going to tie the string through the tops of the holes. Then we're going to tie the string. The cup hangs just over the ground of the box. Now we're going to poke a hole through the base of the cup, as we've already done, and feed this marker through the base. And have it so that it just hangs down from right above the bottom. Then we're going to fill the cup with some small weights. We are going to use some marbles just because we have these on hand. Now we're going to make a strip of paper to use for the seismograph. If you already have a printed receipt, you can skip this step. Otherwise, you're going to get a piece of paper, fold it lengthwise, and cut it. Then we're going to tape these together. So now that we have our seismograph paper, cut 2 slits in the bottom on the opposite sides of the box, like this and this. Then feed your seismograph paper right on through. Make sure that your marker is centered on the paper strip. You're ready to use your seismograph. Grab someone to help you pull the paper through the bottom of the box as you shake the box. Stop shaking for a few seconds and then try and shake it harder. Then try doing the same thing but shaking the box gently. Pull the paper away and observe the line. First, let's go over what a seismograph is. A seismograph is a tool used by scientists to record earthquakes, specifically the force and duration of the shake. In this case of the experiment, shaking the box acted as an earthquake. When the box is moved around, the cup with the marker in it moves too, just not as much. Since the mass of the cup is held by the strings and weighted down, the paper moves back and forth more than the cup does, resulting in the squiggly line. The larger the squiggles, the harder you shook the box. In a real seismograph, the squiggles are called amplitudes, which measure the strength of the earthquake. This experiment will rock your world. HatterSTEM out.